Said clearly he was never going to do any more Star Trek, to be in this. How did you convince him?
First of all, thank you so much for welcoming us here. It is so exciting for us to be here, and we don't want to leave.
En primer lugar, muchas gracias por recibirnos aquí. Realmente es emocionante estar aquí y no queremos marcharnos, no queremos irnos.
Ever.
Nunca.
But I will say that Leonard Nimoy had said no many times. I guess he had been approached about coming back. Well, I have to get the phone. Hold on. And we pitched him the idea, and he sat there very quietly, and we thought, oh God, he hates it. And he said, it's interesting, but he wouldn't commit to it. So we had to write the script, and we thought, oh God, if he doesn't do it, we're screwed.
Bueno, mira, vamos a ver, ¿qué quiere decir? Leonard Nimoy muchas veces se lo habíamos planteado, se lo habíamos dicho, entonces nos reunimos con él, se lo dijimos, él se quedó ahí mirándonos y dijo, bueno, es interesante, pero no decía ni sí, ni que no. Nosotros pensamos, joder, esto, como él diga que no, estamos realmente, pues, jodidos, ¿no?
So he read the script, and we just crossed our fingers that he would like it. And
leímos el guión, leo el guión, y nosotros nos cruzamos los dedos a ver si le gusta.
And we were very lucky to get him, and it was an honor to work with him. He's a wonderful man.
Y al final dijo que sí, y realmente ha sido un grandísimo honor trabajar con él, porque es un hombre, realmente una persona maravillosa.